The country of Iran was struck by seven earthquakes, one after the other, on Wednesday. Iran woke up to seven earthquakes on Wednesday as the island city in south of Iran of Kish was the epicenter of the earthquake, and these measured from 4 to 6 on the Richter scale. The earthquakes were so strong that they were felt even in the cities of Abu Dhabi and Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. Some other places near the Persian Gulf also experienced the earthquakes. However, no one has been reported to have died. Roads and buildings have been damaged to a certain extent. However, the Iranian government is doing their best to bring back life to normal. Stay updated.